are gonna read your favorite cartoon character. That is, yes, Peppa Pig. So Peppa is a fun-loving pig who enjoys spending time with her family and friends. So you also love to enjoy your time to spend with your family and friends? Okay. She loves jumping in muddy puddles and trying new things every day. Each episode teaches kids valuable lessons about family, friendship, and kindness. Peppa's simple and cheerful world is perfect for young children. Now the second character is Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse is a cheerful and friendly character who loves helping others. He often goes on exciting adventures with Minnie, Donald Duck, and Goofy. His optimistic nature helps him solve problems and make new friends. Mickey's world is full of fun, laughter, and magical moments. Are you like Mickey, a cheerful and friendly character? Are you having optimistic nature who helps others for solving problems? Okay. Now comes Motu Patlu. Motu and Patlu are best friends who live in the fictional town of Furfurinagar. Motu loves eating samosas, which often get him into funny situations. Patlu is the smarter one and helps Motu solve the troubles they face. Their adventures are filled with humor and teach teamwork and friendship. Are you like Motu or Patlu? Tell me in the comment section. From these cartoon character, who is your favorite cartoon character? Let me know. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and please follow our Kidoctip page, Kidoctip Homeschooling.